Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the main control board on your refrigerator. The reason why you would have to replace the main control board is because your refrigerator just is not working. For this repair, you'll need a 1/4 inch nut driver and a 1/4 inch wrench. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. For this demonstration, I'll be using an Electrolux refrigerator. This is a side-by-side fridge. Keep in mind though that your fridge may be a little bit different, but the same technique should still apply.
So to remove this, all I'm going to do is use my 1/4 inch wrench and undo the nut from the top of the fridge. And now that we have the screw removed, we can pull out this entire unit. Now I'm going to use my 1/4 inch nut driver to get this piece off. And now what we'll do is remove this piece, and then we'll unsnap all of these clips. There we go.
Now grab your new OEM replacement board. If you don't have one, you can order one on our website. This board also comes with several adapter connectors, which you'll need to use and plug in order to connect it to the other wiring system. So we'll connect all these wires first. Now that we have the board plugged in, we can put all the wires into these slots. Now I'll put all the wires back into these little holders. Put this plate back on top. And now we can just slide it back into its place. And now we'll screw it back into the fridge. Once you've done that, you can plug your fridge back in to see if it works, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.